We did a whole piece which described the elements of a storm, from drizzling rain to a thunderstorm and lightning. This was one of the first abstract pieces that we did that, you know, everybody just bought into.
He would give us an idea, and we would hit on that, and then we would build on it. Everybody would build on it. And that was real, that's jazz, that's music.
After a year and a half of rehearsing 1 day a week, Max got an endorsement from the Ludwig Drum Company. And at that point, arranged our first European tour. That kind of established us as an entity. And we just kept rolling and kept performing.
I would say that of all of the Max Roach projects, this includes the quintet, the Clifford Brown project, all the stuff with Abbey Lincoln, his solo stuff. The M Boom project is probably his most adventurous.
Max was one of the people redefining what the music is going to be in every decade that he was active. He was never resting on his laurels, and he could have.